Can't wait to be with you. Can't wait to be next to you. Can't wait for the first day of school. It's been a couple months, but I can't wait to see you standing by your locker, waving back at me. I miss the color of your hair against the sun. I miss the conversations we shared over lunch. You're a lefty, so I'll just sit on your right, connected by a pair of headphones intertwined. Show me all your favorite songs over some fries, the ones that you've been dancing to on summer nights. Summers without you can get a little bit lame. June, July, and August have got me going insane. I'm waiting for the first day of school. You got me acting like such a fool. Do you like what I'm wearing? Did you miss me? Do you like my haircut too? Hoping you'll sit next to me in class, hoping that the bell won't ring so fast. I don't care about the homework or the research, as long as I'm with you. With you. Can't wait to be with you. Can't wait to be next to you. Can't wait for the first day of school. And I remember when I saw you for the first time, and we were both young and ain't have such thing as pastime. You know how to get under my skin, but when we part, yeah, in my head I know what piece was missing. Summers without you can get a little bit lame. June, July, and August have got me going insane. I'm waiting for the first day of school. You got me acting like such a fool. Do you like what I'm wearing? Did you miss me? Do you like my haircut too? Hoping you'll sit next to me in class, hoping that the bell won't ring so fast. I don't care about the homework or the research, as long as I'm with you. I just can't keep waiting all these summers without you. Can't wait, I just can't wait. Can't wait for the first day of school with you. Can't wait to be with you. Can't wait to be next to you. Can't wait for the first day of school. Wish I could kiss you on this New Year's Eve, but I'll still miss you way past the time to go to sleep. But I'll still wish you a happy 2022. And as I turn off the lights, wish you were with me tonight. I know that I'm not in love with you, but why do I miss you? Been thinking about you all day, scared you'd forget my name. You got me going so insane. I've gotten used to lovers departing, so I can assume it's only time before you leave. But you've been so good to me, so I guess it's PTSD. Is it insecurity? Am I the one deceiving me? I think I might be in love with you. Maybe I fell way too that you aren't really mine, but I'll stay and I'll fight for the time with you tonight. But when you said your goodbyes, I knew that all along I was right. It's a shame I'm in love with you, 'cause you gave up on me so soon. Gave you my body, my mind, my heart, and all of my time. Ran out of all the things to give you, so I lost me and I lost you.
Take my hand, we're gonna go to Central Park as friends. Lie under blue skies, sunshine, a bottle of wine. Talk about our daydreams, hey, it seems we're kind of alike. Wave our hands at every single airplane in the sky. Under blue skies, sunshine, a bottle of wine. Talk about our daydreams, hey, it seems we're crossing the line. Hey, how have you been? We're on our way to Central Park again. Lie under blue skies, sunshine, a bottle of wine. Talk about our daydreams, hey, it seems your hands on my thighs. Wait, is this right? 'Cause I'm so in love with you, and I'm not sure if you feel the same. Maybe Central Park will show the way. Time with you, it ain't forever. So I try to move a little faster. What's to lose? So before we fade away, let go of your worries, drop everything in a hurry. Let's go to Central Park today. Let's go to Central Park, you'll break my heart. Girl, you're so bad for me. Let's go to Central Park, you'll break my heart. Girl, you're so bad for me.